Welcome to the Meditation Explainer series. Today we are looking at breath during meditation. Breathing deeply is a great technique to support your meditation practice. However, not everyone can engage in deep breathing, but this won't stop you from developing a practice that works for you. Focusing on your breath is a great technique for beginning meditators because breathing is a natural function that we all do. Think of breathing as your anchor to the current moment. You can only breathe right now, not yesterday or tomorrow. Start by focusing your attention on your breathing, wherever it's most obvious for you. This might be at the nostrils or inside the nose or sinuses, at the back of the throat, in the upper chest or in the belly. Concentrate on feeling the air flow through your body at its own pace. Don't try to force the breath in any particular way, just observe it as you experience it. Pay attention to which parts of your body move when you breathe in. Does your belly extend out and then fall towards the spine? Does your chest rise up and then fall down? If your chest and shoulders rise, see if you can let your diaphragm do more work, letting your belly extend outwards with an in-breath. Just watch the breath flow in and out, moment by moment. When your attention wanders, gently return your focus to your breathing. Learning to rest while we pay attention to properties of the breath can be a wonderful way to be fully present in our bodies. Over time, we can train ourselves to stay centered when difficult experiences arise and eventually pass away. And remember, if you have another question, the Contemplative Studies Centre are here to help. And as always, we wish you an enriching meditation experience.